Welcome to the YouTube live session. Today topic will be list comprehension in Python. Okay, before that, what is list? We should know what is list. Okay, so list is a standard data type. Okay, it is a standard data type of Python that can be stored a sequence of values belonging to any data type. Okay, for example, this is list with no members. That means empty list. This is empty list. Okay. Next, 1, 2, 3. This is list of integers. Then 1, 2, 5, 3, 3.7, 9. This is list of numbers, integers, and floating point. What is this floating point? Number with decimal point is called floating point. After that, A, B, C. What is this? A list of characters. A list of characters. Okay. And then A, 1, B, and then 3.5, and then 0. What is this? List of mixed value type. Okay. Then 1, 2, and then 3. What is this? List of strings. Okay. So, lists are mutable. Lists are mutable. What is mutable? What is mutable? Mutable means you can change the value. You can change element of a list in place. Okay. So, a list in Python is a collection of items that are ordered and mutable. One more thing is ordered. Okay. And list can contain element of different data type. Okay. Such as integer, string, or even other list. Okay. Next. What is list comprehension? First, we discussed about what is list. Next, list comprehension. So, list comprehension is a concise way to create list. Okay. So, list comprehension is shorthand for a loop that create a list. Okay. List comprehension consists of expression followed by a for class and can be optionally include if class to filter the item. Okay. One more thing. A list comprehension is usually shorter and shorter. Second one is it is more readable. Third one is it is more efficient. Okay. Okay. So, what is the use of list comprehension? So, list comprehension are used for creating new list by applying an expression to each item in an existing iterable, often with filtering condition. Okay. So, before going into example, let me show the syntax and what is the difference between list and list comprehension. How we are deriving list comprehension from list. Okay. First, I'm showing an empty list. List represented using square bracket. Okay. So, if I want to find the square of a number. Okay. Square of a number. What is the code for that? for, using for loop, I in range 1, 6. List dot append I of 2. This is a for loop. Okay. Now I want to create the list comprehension. Okay. Now I'm writing the code for list comprehension. List, same list, open and close bracket, I multiplied with 2 for I in range 1, 6. Okay. Okay. It's very easy. See, this is the list. Okay. Then this square bracket is here, open and close. Okay. Then I multiplied by 2. What is I? It starts from 1 to 5. N minus 1. It will take n minus 1 value. Okay. Then what is the value? 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 5. This is the I. I. Okay. Then this is the condition. This condition is here. Okay. Then this entire condition for I in range is coming here. Instead of writing 3 lines of code, we make it in single line. Okay. So list is in Python, it is a collection of item, ordered and mutable. So list comprehension is a concise way to create list. Can you see the difference? Empty list for I in range 1, 6. The value ranges from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. List dot append I multiplied by 2. I is nothing but it's in every element. So here, so this 3 line of code is consigns into a single line of code. List, this is the, what is this? Expression. Okay. And then for, and then set of values to iterate upon. Okay. This is the expression for creating list. Is it clear? Okay. Now we are going to discuss the examples one by one. Okay. Here, so creating a list of square of number from 1 to 5. So square equal to x square of 2 for x in range 1, 6. Okay. Here, range 1, 6. So this generate a number from 1 to 5. That means inclusive of 1 and exclusive of 6. Okay. So it will produce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Then for x in range, 1, 6. Okay. This is a loop that iterate over each value in a range of 1, 6. Okay. Assigning each value to the x one by one. Okay. Then x square of 2. For each x, this calculate the square of x. Okay. So 1 square answer will be 1. 2 square answer will be 2, 4. 3 square answer will be 9. 4 square 16. 5 square 25. Okay. When I run this, I'll get the answer. Then this is the next example. Creating a list of even number from 1 to 10. Okay. So here evens equal to x for x in range 1, 11 if x modulus of 2 equal to 0 and print evens. What is x modulus of 2 equal to 0, 0? The remainder will be 0. Okay. Then we can consider that number is an even number. Okay. So the line. Okay. So this uses a filtering list comprehension. Okay. It will create print events. It will create a new list containing only the even number ranges from 1 to 11. Okay. Here range 1 to 11. This generate number from 1 to 10. That is inclusive of 1, exclusive of 11. Okay. For x in range 1, 11, iterate over each number in the range. If x modulus of 2 equal to 0 is a condition that check if a number is even. Okay. X modulus of 2 gives a reminder when x is divided by 2. If it is 0, then the number is even. X is included in the new list only if the condition is true. Okay. If the condition is false, it will not include that number in the list. Okay. Instead of writing 4 lines of code using list comprehension within single line of code, I created this one. Okay. I'm going to run. Can you see? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Next example, creating a list of string with a specific format. Okay. Suppose you want to create a list of strings where each number from 1 to 5 is prefixed with number. Formatted number x for x in range 1, 6. Print formatted number. Okay. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay. This combine two powerful Python features, list comprehension and fstring, formatted string. It create a list of formatting string. It create list of formatting string where each string includes a number from the range. This is the string. This is the number. Okay. Range 1, 6. This generate number 1 to 5. Inclusive of 1, exclusive of 6. For x in range 1, 6. That means it iterate through each number in the range. Formatted string and f string that embedded the current number x. This is going to embedded with current number x into a string. How it work? So for each iteration, the current number x is inserted into the string template. Okay, the processes happen in this way. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay, so when I run this, you will get the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, next example, converting temperatures from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Suppose you have a list of temperature in Celsius and you want to convert them to Fahrenheit. Okay. Celsius underscore temperature. 0, 20, 37, 100. This create a list of 4 Celsius temperature representing 0 is freezing point of a water, right? 0 temperature. 20 degree. This is a room temperature. 37, it is a human body temperature. 100 degree Celsius, it is boiling point of water. I'm going to create the list comprehension. So Fahrenheit underscore temps. This is the formula. Temp multiplied by 9 by 5 plus 32 for temp in Celsius temperature. So this is a list comprehension that applies the Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion formula to each temperature in the Celsius underscore temperature. Okay, then what is this? Temperature multiplied 9 by 5 plus 32. This is the standard conversion formula. Okay, initially I assign 4 temperature value to the variable Celsius underscore temperature. Then this is the list comprehension like that applies the Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion formula to each temperature in the Celsius temperature. This is the formula. This is a standard conversion formula for Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, now when I run this, so 0 degree Celsius equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. 20, it is equal to 68 degree Fahrenheit. 37 degree, it is equal to 98.6 Fahrenheit. 100 degree Celsius, it is equal to 212 Fahrenheit. When I run this, I'll get the answer. Next example, flattening a two-dimensional list matrix into a single list. Okay. So flattening operation, like item for row in matrix for item in row. Okay. So matrix 1, 2, 3 is one row. Next row will be 4, 5, 6. Next row will be third 7, 8, 9. So for row in matrix, it iterates through each sublist in a matrix. This is sublist, right? So first iteration 1, 2, 3. Second iteration 4, 5, 6. Third iteration 7, 8, 9. So inner loop for item in row. For each row, it iterates through the each individual element. For first row, process 1, then 2, then 3. For a second row, process 4, then 5, then 6. For a third row, it process 7, then 8, then 9. When I run this, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Next, we move on to next example. Flattening a list of list with condition. Flatten a 2D list, but only include number greater than 5. Here, nested underscore list. Here you have 1, 6 list, 3, 8, 9 is another list, 5, 7 is another list. filtered underscore flat underscore list. Here, num for sublist in nested list for num in sublist if num greater than 5. It has three main part. It has three main part. One is outer loop, next inner loop, and the third one is filter condition. Okay, third one is filter condition. So in outer loop, it iterate through each sublist in the main list. First iteration 1, 6. It is a sublist. This is main list which contain 3 row of list. This is the sublist. Sublist 1, row number 1, sublist 2, row number 2, sublist 3, row number 3. In outer loop, for sublist in nested list. This is the outer loop. This is inner loop. This is the condition. We are going to satisfy one by one. First, we take outer loop. It iterates through each sublist in the main list. This is a sublist. This is a main list. First iteration, sublist 1, 6. Second iteration, sublist 3, 8, 9. Third iteration, 5, 7. And then inner loop for num in sublist. For each sublist, it iterates through each number. For 1, 6, process 1, then 6. Next, for 3, 8, 9, it process 3, then 8, then 9. For 5, 7, this process 5, then 7. What is the filter condition? This is the third part. Only it include the number that greater than 5 in the final list. Print filtered underscore flat underscore list. When I run this, you can get 6, 8, 9, 7. So, the list comprehension is shorthand for a loop that create a list. A list comprehension is usually shorter and it is more readable and more efficient. And thank you. Please do subscribe our channel.